Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin barely holding on. We talked about yesterday how this previous resistance is now key support. The bulls lose this level. I'm looking for $35,000, $32,000 Bitcoin. Will not be pretty. However, we're going to zoom in for some bullish hopium on the lower time frames. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the groups 3 months ago. He's making a killing. He's got his entire trading station set up. Everything that I taught him, he's doing, and it's reaping huge rewards for his portfolio. This person said, now you're going to make me a millionaire again because of you. You changed my life forever. He picked up this McLaren, the doors that go up. This is a $300,000 car, millionaire status. This person rejoined the group. He made $8,000. I have so many people rejoining the group and killing it. I've got some setups that we've traded, and it's been crazy. This person made $8,000 in the past 30 days. This person had a bad injury. He turned $1,000. This is an admin in my group who posts every day. He turned $1,000 into $55,000. He was up to $99,000. I mean, he was up 99x at one point. He had to pay his bills. He has 2 kids, a wife, 2 dogs, and a cat. No job. He ended up buying a house while he was living in a basement of his in-laws based on what he learned in the group. Life-changing money happens quickly when you learn the rules of this market. If you do not learn the rules of this game, go play football, baseball, basketball. You don't know the rules, you have no chance. You have no chance in this market if you don't understand how it works. Look at this. I posted GMT on the 18th, 9 days ago, up 57%. This thing just got added to Coinbase, banging. They are about to move next month to Binance chain, and tremendous upside is possible. Again, all dependent on Bitcoin, but 57% gains, banger. This is Ape. I posted this not too long ago in April. Breakout level, 51% profits. I posted again, 13% up here. We are killing it on these coins. You got to be in the right coins. It's harder to find these coins now, but we're finding the winners, period. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Understand this idea. The Fed has already announced quantitative tightening and rate hikes, right? They're going to raise the rates. It's not good for the stock market, and Bitcoin's been following the SPX perfectly. So understand that the potential for a recession, which is definitely not good for the stock market in crypto, is highly likely. But you learn to trade the market both ways. You adapt to what life gives you. You adapt to what the market gives you. Banging. I talked to you guys about this idea where if Bitcoin got rejected from this key level, 40,650, you could see downside, and you had it. But the bulls bounced today. There's still this resistance level has to flip 40,500, and things look a lot better for the bulls. If you zoom in at the 3-hour chart, you've got this falling wedge. There is a 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. However, potential for another drive lower is definitely here. This thing breaks out, we'll talk about bullish ideas. Until then, we just continue to assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. The SPX has been the most epic trading strategy I've ever seen in my life. I have made, and in the group we've made so much money based on this idea. Market open tomorrow, I can tell you how Bitcoin's going to move and how SPX is going to move just based on this idea. I used to watch stock traders. That's how I learned to trade on YouTube. And they always trade market open, and I never really understood that. But all the volume, all the price moves happen right after 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. The price moves, and this gives us a huge edge because you can tell what Bitcoin's going to do on the short term. right? So you know what trades to open early in the morning. Huge edge, the biggest edge I've ever seen trading crypto. SPX. Now, the SPX has gotten completely wrecked along with Bitcoin. You see this reversal bounce, oversold bounces. Okay, now, if this support holds, you got double bottom falling wedge breakout, and you could get moved to the upside. So we're going to open longs if it bounces here. I'll know more 9:30 in the morning. It really about 8:30. I like to watch about an hour before pre-market, right? You lose this level, it's going to get ugly. And we'll talk about some short ideas. And one crypto that is a good indicator for the entire market in sand. The DXY, the dollar index bull run. It's a bull run for the dollar. This is not good for crypto, not good for the stock market. I mean, last time this thing peaked, like Bitcoin is all the way down to $5,000. So again, a strong dollar is not good for what we're trying to do in crypto. This thing is mooning. Sand has lost this key support. Look, you've got in this descending triangle. You had a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. This is a floor, this is a floor, this is a floor, this is a floor. Uh-oh, what happened? If this thing comes up and bearishly retests and you get downside, you're looking for downside out of Mana, Gala, most of your metaverse coins, most of the market potentially is going to pull back. So important that this is some type of bear trap and you get this move higher on this XPX bounce that could happen tomorrow. And the way it works, like, at the last second, and we're opening up longs and shorts based on this idea. In the Fed FOMC meeting, they are meeting on May 3rd and 4th. This is going to move the market. The market's scared that they're going to come out with a 50 basis point rate hike. If they do, it's not going to be good for the stock market. It's not going to be good for Bitcoin. Okay, they said it's on the table. If it comes out at only 25 basis points, then, potentially that would be more dovish. So in the stock market, hawkish is aggressive and dovish is not aggressive. Okay, so understand if they come out more dovish and only give 25 basis point increase in the federal interest rates where banks borrow, then that could be potentially good news. However, they come out real hawkish and announce 50 basis points or higher, and it's going to tank traditional markets, the stock market, right? And so everything is about to happen over the next week for stocks and for crypto. If people come into this market, they don't have a clue what they're doing. Everybody takes their money. If you do not know what you're doing, I'm going to take your money. You're not going to win, period. A competition. This is you against everybody else, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.